How to install OmeTV. Now, installing OmeTV is very simple. On your mobile phone or Android phone, just open up your Play Store, right, and search for OmeTV. On iPhones as well, you can simply open up your App Store. In the case of Android, open your Play Store, search for the OmeTV app. You can see this popular option. Just make sure that you have got enough data or internet connection, and depending upon the strength of your internet connection. So let me just tap on uninstall button like this, and after that you can just tap on the install button just like this. It will begin the download process, and it will also complete the installation right by itself. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically install OmeTV app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.